Looking at another one of my vintage cars, Matchbox cars, except this one's not a Matchbox, but it's definitely old, from the 80s. Boxed away for a couple decades in an attic. I guess it's a Yatming, a Porsche Audi number 1019, made in Hong Kong. Looks like there's a little crack coming on the bottom, but wheels still spinning. Definitely a cool green and yellow paint scheme. That sticker's still there, a little bit coming up here. Number 19. So L&M, I'm not sure sponsor, but Goodyear, recognize that. So not a lot of detail in the cockpit. It's pretty much empty. Not really. Maybe there was a driver, because I can see there's a post there. Maybe a driver sat, I don't remember. But anyways, it's cool. Paint's chipped, well played with, well loved 30 years ago, and still living to see the day.